I'm Megan Woolerton for CNET, and this is the Panasonic Flash Express toaster oven. What I really love about this toaster oven is the price and how well built it is for the price. It's $150. We found it for about $90 on Amazon, and it's just super affordable. It's one of the least expensive ones we tested, and it just consistently outperformed, or at least as good as the other ones. It is a really well-built machine, but it also has some really wonky design that some people will love and some people will kind of hate. So, up here it has this strange sort of temperature gauge that's set for Fahrenheit and Celsius. It looks kind of like one of those old AM/FM tuners on your radio. You have the Celsius down here and the Fahrenheit up here, but it's actually calibrated just for Celsius. Another thing that's kind of wonky about this design is that it only goes up to 25 minutes on the timer. So if you need to cook something for longer, you have to come back and check and then bump up the time again. The Panasonic Flash Express is really, really easy to use. I particularly love the presets that they have because they work really consistently. On usability, something that might present a bit of a challenge is going off the presets. So if you're not making toast, frozen pizza, frozen waffle, because this isn't a convection oven or a traditional toaster oven. It actually uses double infrared heating. So it cooks a lot faster. If you have a box that says on the instructions to cook something for half an hour, it might be closer to 22 minutes or maybe even less. So you're gonna have to kind of play around with it and see what works best for you. Let's talk a bit about performance now. This toaster stacks up really well against the others as far as performance. It consistently performed as well, if not better than, all of the other ones. So overall, this Panasonic Flash Express toaster oven with double infrared heating is a complete winner. It consistently does a great job, and it's cute and quirky at the same time, so it's great. For CNET, I'm Megan Woolerton, and this is the Panasonic Flash Express toaster oven.